Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium IDE. First, you'll need to install the Selenium IDE browser extension. This powerful tool allows you to record and replay interactions with web pages, making test automation accessible to everyone. It's perfect for quickly creating automated tests or automating repetitive tasks without writing any code. Let's get started by opening the IDE. Now let's record your first test. Open Selenium IDE and click Create a new project. Give your project a name and enter the base URL of the website you want to test. Once you click Start Recording, Selenium IDE will capture all your interactions such as clicks, typing, and navigation. Perform the actions you want to automate and then stop the recording. After recording, you can play back your test to see it in action. Simply click the play button and Selenium IDE will repeat your recorded steps. If you need to make changes, you can easily edit individual commands, adjust values, or even add new steps. You can also insert assertions to verify that specific elements or text appear on the page, ensuring your test is robust. For more advanced scenarios, you can export your recorded tests into different programming languages like Python or Java. This allows you to integrate them into larger test frameworks. Selenium IDE also offers control flow commands, letting you add loops and conditional logic. Don't forget to explore available extensions to further enhance its capabilities and streamline your automation efforts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.